Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain one of the most commonly asked interview question in Python. Without using the del, pop and remove methods, how to delete the maximum and minimum values from a list. How to remove the maximum and minimum values from a list without using del, remove and pop functions. So the command is to run our application py remove max minimum list.py. When I click enter, notice here the original list is this is the original list which we have given. From this list the maximum value is 1000 which is not in our output and minimum value is 0 which is not in our list.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here we got our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder, I will create one new Python file called remove max minimum list.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to remove the maximum minimum values from a list without using del, remove and pop functions. So let's start how to implement to delete the maximum and minimum values from the list. List 1 is equals to 9 5 0 2 10 3 1056. Now if you notice here in this list 1 contains some random numbers. From these numbers the maximum value is 1000 and minimum value is 0. Now I want to remove both maximum and minimum values from this list 1 without using these functions delete, remove and pop. So first let's print the original list. The original list is list 1. After that let's define one variable remove maximum and minimum is equals to, using comprehensions, x for x. This is a functionality. I am using comprehension functionality in list 1. After that, if x is less than maximum value list 1 and minimum of minimum, x is greater than of minimum list 1. That's it. Print a format after removing the max and minimum. The variable, this variable I am adding which is the output. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now let's check how to remove the maximum and minimum values from a list without using del, remove and pop functions. So the command is to run our application py remove max minimum list.py. When I click enter, notice here the original list is this is the original list which we have given. From this list the maximum value is 1000 which is not in our output and minimum value is 0 which is not in our list. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to remove the maximum and minimum values from a list without using the remove, del and pop functions. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.